Do you need to replace the keyboard on your Dell XPS 14-9440? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, remove the bottom base screws. Then pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. Next, disconnect the speaker cables. Then remove the speakers. Then unscrew and remove the battery. Now unscrew and disconnect the LCD cable and bracket. Then lift out the interposer board. Avoid touching the pins on the board surface by holding the interposer by the edges. Then unscrew the left and right LCD hinges. Now open the display panel and separate it from the palm rest. Next, unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the touchpad cable. Then unclip the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard controller cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the power button cable. Next, unclip the locking tab to disconnect the touch panel cable. Then unscrew and remove the motherboard. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard cable. Now unclip the locking tab to disconnect the keyboard backlit connector cable. Now unscrew and remove the keyboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.